Mama Akwaba, wafreme Ajwa search name Mesrel. Now wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
Yo, maybe I know why May a family Issah, I'm a prima so. May a branch chairman NDC. Issah coordinator NDC. Some mama so now pay NDC. Na ye chama Issah. Na mene me profile exase. Eshe sebi party no mo mi no. Ye de to so ne no. Ye be hu say sise ye bi e da ho no mo. Na sise ye no ye do so eche ye no. Na chese e mo du esi ba ko. Ye che na chese e ye NPP. Ana o mo do so esi ye. Eti na mo say ye di ye ho di ye nimdie ye bibia na di time party de chi. Many animal say be kaya emre bi. Na ya ma me no mo ye nuema na ye hospital na ye GSK sabi oba wanyam o hospital essence oniska na wakowu ye frano mo health insurance ana sometimes health insurance okwa akra utminya many animal mema mekasa no mo enye bebre na ansa na mecha so no yen aye brother bako awa ye national coordinator Alhaji Bebe wa bone homo de essence wadi echi ache. Apart from that, your coordinator, Ophelia, or also what dear Chiate, and Timpen for Monoma say, and for my now some of the tattoo, Medianum, and a better tattoo, did I want to say. Bam Sunday, Bam Sunday, Santango, Bam Sunday, my Sergi, Bam Sunday, Bam Sunday, Santango, Bam Sunday, my Sergi. After said, and now I'm on pass or rebel. Now I'm on pass. I also as a Chinese, I'm on pass. I got a maso. I'm on pass. Mama said, and come on. Yeah, say.
You bet to me the other side, the number, and you create special initiative, the ministry. I be say how a comes in sa equip no, and you to me the ambulances. Or some papa wu ya because of a drone moja when yan on time unti yan fe bibi bra your friend drone na na kufu adokoda so okay drone yan pe beboa Ghana ye way enye baby na car akọ enye baby na motor na bicycle kura akọ baby we se say enya sophisticated way ye de be gia ya de sa ye de be chain drone ye de be ye adwuma ma Ghana sa de a waka ma say mun kofa zip line for mra. So how do you tell me say Bawumia should do the things he's saying he will do in this book or the things he said he will do in his manifesto right now? What sense does it make? Mean you about tap screen no na share page in mame. Makatra Ghana for say 2008 and reference you and the bonuno ebetari binu akuma homa NPP. And ye tien some form of President Kufo, the Ayam says, our time no, a sukonu maybe to say philosopher Suquachinum. Now ya fa papa penny gentle giant Kufo papa be edini form. And the Ghana for say you're free nina, Mahamum be at the edda. Ghana for say Mahama bad or 5 cedi, never call 1 cedi. And the Ghana for say Mahama ba a betcha me. You see, some of the things when I read it, I be me. Utuminya awo for bao or say nebako free education ni bi nemum eduane otodema emania kola ne ye oje na me say mama moya ade ma ne ya asefem Ghana ha o because some of us go school ni bi wo Ghana o NDC abemu ye we nuanom a Rollins apen so mu go school Kufu apen so mu go school Mills apen so mu go school Mahama apen so mu go school emu bia ni wa ne ye aduane free Mame, emu bia ni wa wo ba no na won twa aduane ma no. Aben kwan ne ye hwe ne se nkrakra no minianom. E your mind ba ko ne ye pese ye chichire na ye yie ma obia. Na nke ba ne se ne ye 2 gold diamond bauxite to anwa wo meman so. Na nso ade se me ba wom. Weda enya me weda, eti se me beba mu bebre. Na obi asa bo mpese woni ne bedwin kura oba ne bema no mu esa bema ne bema gina ho ne ya fefefe ano da obofunu wo so ho na wo ya adwuma eya mo amu Ghana no sometimes so let us be thankful for some of the things or minor to me aye no na yenjai say every day we want to create an impression say negative nothing is positive about Ghana. Ebrebi ba ye went to me and yes can fa banko school. And the obi buama do bako school. Na sebi o sebi. And yet trimo debi na aba Ghana for so ene na nado na wapampa Ghana for wabodwe shit. Eh? Wobi ebe so mu ama wa. Wo se wa ma mi jemu. Fun to me shawoma. Obi ba no obrewa was okay. Eya na me hu se nkwada ni bi uniform no. The whole 2 years ni na no was say uniform. Intime aban mafa uniform. House dress mafa. Mattress ya mo de beba beda afi ni mafa empire will be wo. Look at the things I buy we taking on. So free education now. Man looking like say and I buy need to ya be kitu ebi no. It is not a joke. Because if free education was a joke, said the Lee Okran Kayano or Saint Gankroma would have implemented it long before. John Dramani Mahama Nankasa said, Debbie, idea where the Omo de Bedada yen. Na yen to be quiet idea way based on the whimsical promise of a desperate politician. In tank of free education, there a desperate policy. And so could do baby a free education who may ya kono and this if we to Captain Jimmy no more at that trip you say, woman called in about 10 say, and this is free education by it. The same thing that is a desperate policy. And Ghanaians are buying into it. Sadly, Ghanaians are buying into the lies and all the propaganda that NDC has been parading to the people of Ghana. Mama yehwe hu ye na adwuma na nado danko akufuado one bawumia ne NPP aban we aye no se nye party sem na be say Ghana enka meka chu se bi si da ena no na mi ene kukuru Ghana de ma 2013 enne de se bawumia koka se obedi president ya na sabi ti bonko sofo journalist bi to say why can't he do it now? How can he do it now? Monchemi Adia Bakwa John Dramani Mahama was able to do based on the powers of the constitution while he was a vice president. Nothing. Let us get serious in this country for once. We cannot do it business as usual. NPP, NDC, Sanse, Munula, and Adebi, it has to change. Our brains got to start developing. Say, no, we need to develop a nation and not a political party. The time has come for us to realize that when politicians come and they show us who they are, we should believe them. Today, John Dramani Mahama doesn't agree that Bawumia should make that saying that he is a spare driver or he is a mate and he wants to become a driver. He is asking Bawumia, why didn't you do these things now that you are a vice president? But you cannot ask Mahama, why didn't he build the e-blocks when he was a vice president, if it is that easy? In Ghana for you, but now near the politics. Media new. She is rado. Afafranto also join this. Debbie. Yellow. Afafranto also. And I said join this thing yellow now. Afafranto also yellow. Cheda bedi akon also po be kumasi any. Yet the Sankwa Siadi and Intinus a politician be crab a tasam and tasumwa. Instead of yen nipano, Yabema Yenia Daho. Now you're critiquing your day bano. You take it like this type of approach say. Me and this nini dear. Even though said the Abaumiaka and a tasum, still men coca say ya papa. Now wouldn't him say, and this ni NPP chain, when yano, yen dachi, or mine dachi neke chiana, only knows that. And I'm hunasa. Because Mentia said, a man has been vice president before. He couldn't do e-blocks because he was not the president. He could advise Atamils that Daddy Atamils, I want to do e-blocks. Can you put it into it? If Atamils fails to say e-blocks is viable, Atamils Mamana e-blocks. The same way Dr. Bawumia was able to suggest to cabinet say, ye ni ambulances into your best ye special development fund